From Insight to Innovation, Competitive Intelligence and Market Positioning for BW's Air Quality System by Jillian, Mitchell, Ramal, Ryan, and Zach. In our presentation, we'll be covering four main areas. First, we'll give background information on air quality monitoring and Baldwin Wallace University's new innovation, an LOT-based air monitoring system that collects real-time neighborhood data to help communities make better environmental decisions. Then we'll explain what competitive intelligence is and why it's important for organizations. We'll use examples from our earlier research to show how competitive intelligence helps companies understand the market, evaluate competitors, and make smarter strategic decisions. Then we'll share findings from our own research on 5 U.S. organizations that have developed similar air monitoring technologies, including details about their size, location, and type of organization. After that, we'll discuss the idea of value narrative, or how a company explains the unique benefits of its product. We'll compare BW's value narrative to those of other organizations that we found. And then finally, we'll focus on prospecting. We'll identify potential leads, such as city sustainability coordinators or environmental engineers, who might be interested in buying or partnering with BW to use this technology. We'll also point out a few questions that still need to be answered as we move forward with outreach and who can answer those questions.
Competitive intelligence is the process of understanding the world around business, its competitors, customers, and the trends shaping its industries, and using the knowledge to make a smarter decision. It's not just collecting data, it's turning information into insight. According to Dijon Gesick, companies that study market trends and competitor behavior can better anticipate change and craft strategies that truly connect with customers. Andrew Blathamel adds that some intelligence focused on short-term goals like boosting market share, while other efforts prepare the company for long-term risks and opportunities. A great example is Airbnb, which has used deep marketing understanding and technology awareness to disrupt the hospitality industry. Competitive intelligence builds what is called strategic foresight, helping organizations interpret external signals, predicting shifts, and connecting insights across marketing, sales, R&D, and many more. At Baldwin Wallace, this same mindset guides innovation, like its NSF-funded air quality monitoring project that blends engineering, computer science, and environmental research. In short, competitive intelligence keeps organizations agile, innovative, and one step ahead.
To analyze BW's competitive landscape, I looked at 5 main organizations shaping the air quality monitoring space. Project Canary and Honeywell dominate industrial compliance with large-scale data-driven systems. Purple Air leads in consumer transparency through community sensors, while Aeroqual and the University of Hawaii focus on research and precision monitoring. BW fits uniquely between these segments. Its IoT-based sensors balance affordability, community relevance, and scalability, qualities most competitors do not combine. From a SWOT view, BW's strengths lie in innovative NSF-supported technology and institutional credibility. Its main weaknesses are limited commercialization experience and long-term support uncertainty, but opportunities in municipal and environmental justice partnerships make its social mission especially competitive. In short, BW's advantage is offering accessible, data-rich monitoring with a purpose-driven value narrative that bridges precision, inclusion, and community impact.
A value narrative shows why customers choose your product over others. It communicates what makes it better or different, and it helps to build a competitive advantage. BW's value narrative focuses on community impact, innovation, and student collaboration. It also focuses on low-cost, equitable air sensors for Cleveland neighborhoods. It also promotes environmental justice and hands-on learning, and is backed by an NSF grant and Senator Sherrod Brown's support. The competitors are Project Canary, Purple Air, Aeroqual, Honeywell, and HNEI. Their value narratives are for Project Canary, it is about sustainability and transparency. Purple Airs is about accessibility and open data. Aeroqual's is about lab quality accuracy, Honeywell's is reliability, large-scale infrastructure, and HNIE's is about research and accessibility. BW stands out because its value narrative focuses on social purpose, student collaboration, and environmental justice.
Question 4 tasks us with creating a value narrative for Baldwin Wallace's air monitoring system and finding potential leads that might be interested in buying or licensing their technology. Prospecting allows Baldwin Wallace University to connect its innovative air monitoring system with organizations that can create meaningful community change. The system uses LOT-based sensors to collect real-time air quality data at a low cost, helping cities like the city of Cleveland better understand pollution patterns and make data-informed environmental decisions that promote fairness across many different neighborhoods. Key prospects for this technology include regional and institutional partners such as the City of Cleveland's Division of Air Quality, the Cuyahoga County Department of Sustainability, the Cleveland Clinic, and Case Western Reserve University. Each of these organizations could apply Baldwin Wallace's data to support public health studies, sustainability initiatives, and policy development aimed at improving local air quality. What sets the BW system apart from competitors is its emphasis on collaboration, affordability, and education. Unlike expensive commercial alternatives, this technology is designed to be accessible and community-focused. Moving forward, BW should continue to build partnerships with local governments, sustainability coordinators, and community organizations to secure funding and encourage adoption. This will position the university as a leader in advancing environmental justice and community-based innovation.
As we conclude, Baldwin Wallace University's air monitoring systems stand as a powerful example of how innovation, intelligence, and social purpose can come together to create real change. By applying competitive intelligence, BW isn't just responding to environmental challenges, it's anticipating them, shaping solutions that serve both science and society. This project's value lies in its ability to combine affordability with accuracy and community engagement, making air quality data accessible to those who need it most. Through strong partnerships with local governments, organizations, and institutions, BW has the opportunity to turn research into action, building cleaner, healthier, and more equitable communities. Ultimately, this initiative reflects what true strategic foresight looks like, using knowledge not only to compete, but to make a lasting impact on the world around us.